or good as he died. And that's the night I knew that something in my life had to change. When I am down and oh my soul so weary, when troubles come and my heart's burdened deep, then I am still waiting in the silence until you come and sit a while with me. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. So, I sat there in my car. The second thing that came to mind, honest to God, was this. It was the realization that I wasn't hurt at all. Just a seatbelt bruise. So I got out of the car, I left my job in radio, and then I started a journey that's taken me around the world to share the gift of music. And it's the reason I'm here with you tonight. Thank you so much for helping to make my dreams come true. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up to more than I can be. Thank you.